Welcome to growtrees.com. We enable individuals and corporates to plant trees and dedicate them via our e-tree certificate to family, friends, employees and customers. Greet with Trees is an exceptional idea that combines the essence of meaningful and sustainable gifting. No matter the occasion, you can gift a personalized e-tree certificate to your loved ones anytime, anywhere. Here are the simple steps through which you can plant and greet now. From the home page or top navigation menu, go to the Individual Greetings and click the Plant and Greet Now tab. You arrive at the Choose Your Occasion screen. Pick the occasion that best fits your greetings. Celebrate, condole, or offset. Next are the projects. Choose the project that creates meaning for you or the recipient. On the next page, fill in the required details. Sender name and sender email ID will be auto-populated if you have logged into your account. Recipient name, recipient email ID, recipient WhatsApp number, and the email addresses of people you wish to keep in CC. Mention the specific occasion, for example, birthday, anniversary, memorial, congratulations. Select how many trees you want to dedicate. You can increase or decrease as needed. Pick the occasion date using the calendar icon. Choose when the e-tree certificate should be sent to the recipient, can be scheduled for later. Write your personalized message that will be included on the certificate. Upload an image, optional, to appear on the e-tree certificate. You will have an option to customize your e-tree certificate before the payment when you press checkout. After successful payment, the trees are planted and the personalized e-tree certificate is scheduled for delivery as per the chosen date. What to wish more than one person at a go, such as Diwali greetings? You have a one-to-many option where you can upload an Excel file with details about the recipient and greet multiple people with individual e-tree certificates. Select the option of one-to-many after selecting your project. You will need to have an account to use this feature. If you have one, please log in. Else follow the steps to create your account. Once you are logged in and select the one-to-many option, you can click on Import from Excel file. This will also provide you with the Excel formats. Download the required Excel format, fill in all the data, and upload it back. Once you upload the file, follow the instructions to complete your greetings. Make your greetings truly unforgettable. Plant trees in your loved one's name and dedicate them with a personalized message. A gift that grows, lasts, and creates a positive impact.